greetings everyone. This is Exquisite Raja Ebi David of grade 7A. My ambition is to become a world-class neurosurgeon. My hobbies are reading books and experimenting new concepts. I excel in logical, intrapersonal and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. I thank my Amma and Appa for choosing Acharya. Thank you.
Big who?
Oh yeah, I did it.
Lucky Raja Lokesh.
Happy greetings to all. This is Lucky Raja Lokesh from grade 7A. I excel in visual spatial intelligence. I would love to see myself as a world-class scientist. My hobbies is drawing, painting. My hobbies is drawing, painting. I love my school very much. Oh, I did it.
Rapid Raja Ritvik.
Happy greetings to all present here. I'm happy Raja of grade 7A. My goal is to become a world-class aerospace scientist and serve my nation. I possess intrapersonal, logical and linguistic intelligence. My hobbies are badminton, cup sacking, painting and drawing. I love chess because it improves my strategical thinking. Acharya is my second home where I can be myself, have fun and learn new things. I thank my teachers for supporting and encouraging me throughout this year. My thanks to my parents for choosing this wonderful school for my dreams come true. Thank you and love you all.
Big who?
Oh,
Radiant Raja Rudraksh.
Happy greetings. This is Radiant Raja Rudraksh of grade 7A. My aim is to become an excellent rocket scientist. I excel in logical, visual, spatial and interpersonal intelligence. Happily, willingly and smilingly. Day by day in every way, I grow more and more powerful and blissful. My hobbies are singing, drawing, playing badminton and performing magic tricks. I'm proud to say that my school Acharya provides a marvelous divinity activity. This helps me enhance my concentration level and helps me in my whole brain activation. This also really helps me focus on my academics. Thank you all.
Big who?
Oh yeah, I did it.
Sharp Raja Savit.
Happy greetings everyone. This is Sharp Raja Savit of grade 7A. I possess bodily kinesthetic and visual intelligence. My ambition is to become a world-class cricketer. My hobbies are sacking, playing badminton and cricket. Acharya contains the top 5 as my favorite arts are chess and silambam because it helps to bring bonus in me. My favorite subject is science because it contains interesting experiments. I thank my Appa and Amma for choosing Acharya the great school. Thank you and love you all.
Big who?
Oh, hey, I did it.
Smart Raja Sarvesh.
happy morning to one and all present here. This is Smart Raja PM Suresh of grade 7A. My ambition is to become a world-class businessman and I excel in interpersonal and logical intelligence. My school gave me a wonderful opportunity to exhibit my talents through many activities like Silambam, Malcolm, chess, yoga and so on. My favorite one is chess. My hobbies are playing chess, solving Rubik's cubes and solving many quizzes. My favorite subject is social because it teaches me about humanity, understanding leadership and about political affairs, which are amazing. I would like to convey my gratitude to my teachers for helping me and encouraging me for facing many challenges. And I would like to convey my thanks to my Amma and Appa for choosing Acharya World Class Education. Thank you.
Big who?
Oh yeah, I did it.
Sporty Raja Sri Hariharan.
Moshi everyone, this is Sportive Raja Sri Hariharan from grade 7A. My ambition is to become a world-class neurosurgeon and football player. I excel in logical and body kinetic intelligence. My school, Acharya, has provided us platforms for many activities like Divyanitra, Divyadrishti, meditation, Silambam, Malcolm, chess and yoga.
Indoors, my favorite is Dividitra. A small lamp after lunch gives me a full power for the rest of the day. Dear MDG, I take a 10-minute power nap every day. If you do, give me an high five. Thank you, sir. I thank my Appa and Amma for choosing Acharya for my brightful future. Thank you.
Big hoo.
Hooray, I did it.
Trending Raja Tarun.
Happy morning, everyone. I'm Happy Raja Tarun of grade 7A. I'm good at all the intelligence, but the most dominant ones are logical intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, and natural intelligence. My ambition is to become an eminent space scientist, a football player, and a successful businessman. My hobbies are playing football, reading books, and doing experiments. I thank my Amma and Appa for choosing Acharya and MDG for giving me this huge platform for developing myself. Thank you. Oh yeah, I did it.
Delightful Rani Danisha.
Happy greetings. This is delightful Danisha of grade 7. I excel in logical, linguistic, and interpersonal intelligence. My aim is to become a pediatrician with world-class expertise. My hobby is to upgrade my subject knowledge and communication skills through books. Happily, willingly, and smilingly, day by day, in every way, I'm growing more and more powerful and blissful at Acharya. I sincerely thank all my teachers for their continuous support. I thank me and Amma and Appa for choosing Acharya. Thank you.
Big hoo.
Oh yeah, I did it.
Dazzling Rani Dania.
Happy greetings everyone. This is Dazzling Rani Danya of grade 7. I'm your future archaeologist. I excel in bodily kinesthetic and musical intelligence. My enjoyment activities include cycling, doing gymnastics, playing throw ball, singing, and enjoying with myself. My favorite subject is English because it helps me interact with the people around me. I have developed an interest for reading non-fictional books as it helped me gather information about a specific topic. I have also developed an interest for learning a new language. I am able to now talk a few words in Korean language. Thank you everyone for giving me the space and time to share my opinion.
Big hoo.
Oh hey, I did it.
Humble Rani Harini.
Happy greetings to all. I am Humble Rani Hari of grade 7. I am gifted with logical and visual spatial intelligence. My ambition to become a master surgeon. My hobby is drawing, painting, and so on.
Thank you, sir.
After joining the school, I improved my reading skill by using Crazy Professor Reading Card and Super Speaker. Happily, willingly, and smilingly, day by day, in every way, I will grow more and more powerful and blissful. I sincerely thank my Amma and Appa who have chosen Acharya war schooling to reach my goal. Thank you.
Big
Oh,
hoo.
I did it.
Happy greetings to all. This is Happy Rani Lucky Lakshita of grade 7A. My ambition is to become a dermatologist. I excel in bodily kinesthetic and musical intelligence. My hobbies are dancing, singing, swimming, and gymnastics. I have developed learning new skills in my free times. My favorite subject is English because it develops me in grammar. I thank my parents, teachers, and our beloved MDG for developing me in academics, extracurricular activities, and giving me the opportunities to share my thoughts. Thank you all.
Big hoo.
Oh yeah, I did it.
Lovely Lani Logopriya.
Happy morning to everyone. I'm Happy Rani Logopriya from grade 7A. I'm gifted with the logical and musical intelligence. My ambition is to become a IAS officer with a world-class expertise. I had improved my reading skills by practicing the reading skills super speed card and the Crazy Professor. And I'm thankful of my Amma and Appa for choosing this war schooling. Thank you.
Big hoo.
Hooray.
Marvelous Rani Moksha Lakshmi.
Happy greetings. This is Marvelous Rani Moksha Lakshmi from grade 7. I am gifted with natural and spiritual intelligence.
My hobbies are playing badminton, dancing, and reading books. My ambition is to become a master surgeon with a world-class expertise. My school Acharya has helped me to improve my reading skill by using Crazy Professor reading card and Super Speed card. I love my school very much. I thank my school for giving this opportunity. Thank you, love
Big
you all.
Hoo.
Hooray, I did it.
Polite Rani Pratiksha.
Happy greetings to one and all present here. This is Princess Pratiksha of grade 7A. I am gifted with naturalistic and visual spectacle intelligence. My hobby is dancing, singing, drawing, and etc. My ambition is to become an entrepreneur, and I thank my Amma and Appa for choosing Acharya the best school for my bright future. Thank you.
Big Hoo. Perfect Rani Pragati.
Happy greetings to all. I'm Happy Gandhi Perfect Bhakti of grade 7. I am gifted with the intelligence of spirituality and naturality. My ambition is to become a fashion designer with world-class expertise. My hobbies are dancing, drawing, crafting, and so on. With the help of my teachers, I have been able to upgrade and improve the approach in my academics. I thank my school Acharya for enhancing my academics and also my activities. Thank you.
Big Hoo.
Bonjour, happy greetings to all. I'm Happy and Perfect Bhakti of grade 7. I am gifted with spirituality and naturalistic intelligence. My hobbies are dancing, drawing, crafting, and so on. My ambition is to become a fashion designer with world-class expertise. With the help of my teachers, I have been able to upgrade and improve the approach in my academics. I thank my school Acharya for enhancing my activities and also my academics. Thank you.
Big Hoo. Peaceful Rani Pradibha.
Happy greetings to one and all presenters. This is Peaceful Rani Pratibha of grade 7A. I am gifted with bodily, kinesthetic, and intrapersonal intelligence. I excel in music and life smart. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and swimming. This helps me to stay fit, healthy, and happy. My favorite subjects are Tamil and Social. Social is a really interesting subject which helps me to understand the world and its complexes. My ambition is to become a world-class efficient archaeologist. I thank all my teachers for their continuous guidance and support. Acharya has given me a great platform to bring the best out of me and showcase my talent. I thank my teachers for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Big Hoo.
Oh yes.
Remarkable Rani Ritanya.
Happy greetings to all. I'm Remarkable Rani Ritanya of grade 7A. I possess bodily, kinesthetic, and musical intelligence. My ambition is to become a famous space scientist with world-class expertise. My hobbies are reading new books, experimenting new culinary cuisines, traveling the world, playing badminton, practicing silamam, dancing, singing, and drawing. I love to spend a lot of time with my family and friends. I love science as it gives me a lot of joy in doing experiments and analyzing the results. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity.
Big Hoo.
Oh yeah, I did it.
Sweetie Rani Sadhana.
Happy greetings to one and all present here. I'm Happy Rani Sweet Sadhana of grade 7. I'm gifted with logical and interpersonal intelligence. My hobbies are dancing, drawing, and singing. My sincere thanks to my Appa and Amma for choosing Acharya for my bright future. Thank you.
Big Hoo. Thoughtful Rani Tanisha.
Happy greetings to all. This is Happy Rani Tanisha Sabave of grade 7A. I am gifted with the intelligence of natural and music. My ambition is to become a fashion designer with world-class expertise. My hobbies are exploring nature, going for a walk, playing Roblox, watching anime. I have been able to upgrade in my approach in academics with the help of super speed cards, reading cards, and the 5 arts have helped me to keep me fit and improve my concentration level. I thank my Acharya for enhancing my for improving my skills. Oh, I did it.
Happy evening, everyone. I am Swati, class teacher of 7B. I'm happy to welcoming you all for 7B citations. Now I call upon Raja Kanishk BS. Kind Kanishk.
Happy greetings to one and all present here. I am Happy Raja Kanish. I possess intra and interpersonal intelligence. My hobby is drawing and my ambition become an engineer. I thank my dear MDG and my principal ma'am and all my teachers for helping me. I through this long journey of grade 7B. Thank you all. Oh yeah, I did it.
Raja Noble Nabilan.
Thank you, sir. Greetings to one and all present here. I am Happy Raja Noble Navilan of grade 7. I possess logical, visual, and spatial intelligence. My hobbies are playing the keyboard and playing the mridangam. My favorite subjects are math and science. My ambition is to become a world-class businessman. I thank my MDG, all my teachers, and my dear principal ma'am for helping me through this long journey of grade 7. Thank you.
Big way to you.
Oh yeah, I did it.
Raja Polite Prajit.
Happy greetings. Have a happy day. I'm Happy Raja Prajit. I'm blessed with logical, and intrapersonal intelligence. My hobbies are painting and cycling. My ambition is to become a politician. My favorite subjects are computer science and science. I am elegant, organized, and capable of achieving higher grades. I love my school and all about it. There are lots of activities in Acharya like Divyadrishti, Malkam, Silambam, chess, and meditation. I wish to participate in all of them. I thank my MDG, principal ma'am, and special thanks to my class teacher and all my teachers to help me throughout this long journey of 7B. Thank you. Oh yeah.
Raja Passionate Pratik Verma.
Happy greetings all. I am Happy Raja Pratik Verma. I possess intrapersonal, linguistic and naturalistic intelligence. My hobbies are playing football and cricket. My ambition is to become a football player. My favorite subjects are English and math. I love all my teachers as they are guiding me the right way. I love this school and everything about it. Our dear MDG has given an idea for a classroom library. Before the library, I would read up to 1 to 2 books in a month. But now I'm reading the same amount of books a week and 10 to 15 books in a month. This reading habit has increased my vocabulary and the speed of reading. I thank our dear MDG, Principal Ma'am and all my teachers for helping me through this long journey of grade 7. Thank you.
Big woo to you.
Hooray!
Raja Playful Satvik.
Happy morning. Happy greetings. Have a happy day. I am Happy Raja Satvik. I am possessed with intrapersonality and intelligence. My hobby is drawing. My ambition is to become a car racer. My favorite subject is maths and social. I love my school and everything about it. Before the library, I would read 1 to 2 books in a month, but I am reading the same number of books in a week and 10 to 15 books in a month. I thank my dear MDG and the principal ma'am and all subject teachers for helping me through this long journey of lesson. Thank you.
Big
Oh
woo to
yeah,
you.
I did it.
Raja Sincere Sabari.
Happy greetings. I'm Happy Raja Sabari. I'm praised for my logical, kinesthetic, and intrapersonal intelligence. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and chess. My ambition is to become a doctor. My favorite subjects are Tamil, computer science, and science. I thank my dear beloved MGG, principal ma'am, and my all teachers for helping me through this long journey of grade 7. Thank you.
A big woo to you.
Oh, I did it.
Now, Raja supporter Sri Shahishnu.
Happy greetings to one and all present here. I am Happy Raja Sri Sagishnu of grade 7B. I am known for bodily, kinesthetic and logical intelligence. My hobby is drawing and my ambition is to become doctor. I love my school and everything about it. Our MDG has given a great idea of classroom library. Before the classroom library, I would have read 1 to 2 books, but now I'm reading the same number of books in a month. In Acharya, there are lot of activity like Malcolm, Silambam, chess, yoga. I would like to participate in all of them. I thank my beloved MDG, lovable principal ma'am, and all my subject teachers to guiding me throughout the long journey of grade 7B. Thank you.
A big woo to you.
Hooray! I did it!
Raja Sociable Shiva Bharati.
Happy morning, have a happy day. I'm happy Raja and Shobhadya of grade 7. I'm gifted with visual, spatial and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. My hobby is cycling and playing chess. My ambition is to become an army officer. I am army officer. Our MDG has given an idea of classroom library. Before library, I read 1 or 2 books in a month. Now I am reading 10 to 15 books in a month. This reading habit increased my vocabulary and my reading skill. I thank our beloved MDG and lovable principal ma'am and all my dear teacher to help me through the journey of grade 7B. Thank you.
A big woo to you.
We did it.
Raja Skillful Shiva Colonel.
Happy morning. Have a happy day. I'm a happy Raja M. Shiva Karnal of grade 7B. My ambition is to become an engineer. My hobbies are drawing and silambam. Our MDG gave an excellent idea of our classroom library. Before library, I would read 1 to 2 books in a month and 1 to 2 books in a month and same number of books in a week and 10 to 15 books in a month. 10 to 15 books in a month. This reading habit has improved my vocabulary and speed of reading. There are a lot of activities in Acharya like Silambam, Malcolm, chess and meditation. I wish to participate in all of them. I thank my dear MDG and my principal ma'am and my all class teachers for helping me through this long journey of grade 7B. Thank you.
A big woo to you.
Who did it?
Raja Wishful Wesley Tony Max.
Happy greetings. I am Wesley Tony Max from grade 7B. I am known for my naturalistic spiritual intelligence. My hobby are solving Rubik's Cube and playing football. My ambition is to join in Indian Police Service. I love my school and everything about it. Our MDG has given an idea for our classroom library. Before the library, I would read 1 to 2 books in a month, but I now reading the same number of books in a week and 10 to 15 books in a month. This reading habit improved my vocabulary and speed of reading. I would thank my dear MDG, principal man, all my teachers through helping me through the long journey of grade 7. Thank you.
A big woo to you.
Who I did it?
Rani Astonishing Ashika.
Happy greetings to one and all present here. I'm Happy Rani Ashika. I am known for visual, spatial and linguistic intelligence. My hobbies are drawing, painting and doing craft works. My ambition is to become a compassionate doctor. I am an energetic, confident and always have a bright smile on my face. I love my school and everything about it. Our MDG has given the idea of classroom library. Before the library, I would read 1 to 2 books in a month, and now I'm reading the same number of books in a week and 10 to 15 books in a month. This reading habit has improved my vocabulary and speed of reading. There are a lot of activities in Acharya like Divyadishi, Malakam, Silambam, chess, yoga and meditation. I wish to participate all of them. My sincere thanks to dear MDG and principal ma'am and all my dear teachers for guiding me through this long journey of grade 7. Thank you.
A big woo to you.
I did it.
Rani Mac, Compassionate Charmati.
Happy morning, everyone. I'm Happy Rani Charmati from grade 7B. I possess intrapersonal, interpersonal, and visual spatial intelligence. My hobbies are doing drawing, singing, and doing craft work.
My ambition is to become a world-class lawyer. I love my school and everything about it. Our dear MDG has given an idea of classroom assembly. Before the library, I would read 1 or 2 books in a week. Now I'm reading the same number of books in a month, in the week, and 10 to 15 books in a month. This reading habit has improved my vocabulary and speed of reading. And thank my beloved MDG and principal ma'am and all my teachers who guided me through the long journey of grade 7. Thank you and love you all.
A big woo to
Oh
you.
yeah, I did it.
Rani, magnificent.
Happy
Meena
greetings.
Tashi.
I'm Happy Rani Minatashi. I possess naturalistic and linguistic intelligence. My ambition is to become a world-class Indian foreign officer. My hobbies are to play basketball and play the piano. I love my school and everything about it. Our dear MDG has introduced the idea of a classroom library. Before the library, I used to read 1 to 2 books in a month. But now I can read the same number of books in a week and 10 to 15 books in a month. This has truly improved my speed and my vocabulary in reading. I thank my dear MDG and my dear Principal Ma'am and all my teachers for guiding me through the long journey of grade 7. Thank you.
A big woo to
Oh
you.
yeah, I did it.
Rani, supporter Samhita.
Happy morning, everyone. Have a happy day. I am Happy Rani Samhita. I am known for visual, spatial, and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. My hobbies are dancing, singing, and photography. My ambition is to become a compassionate beautician. I love my school for everything about it. Our MDG has given an idea of classroom library. Before library, I read 1 to 2 books per a month. But now, I read the same number of books per a week and 10 to 15 books per a month. This reading skill has improved my vocabulary and speed of reading. There are many activities in Acharya like Mallakam, Silambam, Yoga, Divya Drishti and chess. I like to participate in all of them. A special thanks to our MDG, Principal Ma'am and all my dear teachers for helping me throughout this long journey of 7B. Thank you.
A big woo to you.
Oh hey, I did it.
Rani, smart Shruti Kannan.
Happy morning, everyone. Have a happy day. I'm Happy Rani Shruti Kannan of grade 7B. I possess logical reasoning and linguistic intelligence. My hobbies include photography and vlogging. My ambition is to become a world-class anesthesiologist. I love my school and everything about it. Our dear MDG has given us the idea of a classroom library. Before this library, I used to read only 1 to 2 books in a month. But now I read the same number of books in a week and 10 to 15 books in a month. This has truly helped my vocabulary and speed in reading. I thank my dear teachers, Principal Ma'am and MDG Sir for guiding me through this long journey of grade 7. Thank you.
A big woo to you.
Oh,
Rani,
yeah, I did
talented Tanishka D.
Thank you.
Happy greetings to one and all present here. I am Happy Rani Tanishka. I excel in naturalistic and bodily kinesthetic intelligence. My ambition is to join as a world-class eminent CBI officer. Acharya has many activities like Silambam, Malgam, Divya Drishti, meditation, etc. And I wish to participate in all of them. I thank my honorable MDG, respected Principal Ma'am and all my lovable teachers for guiding me through this wonderful journey of grade 7. Thank you.
A big woo to you.
Oh yeah, I did it.
Rani, thoughtful Tansika B.
Happy greeting everyone. I'm Happy Rani Dansika of 7B. I'm known for athletic, bodily, kinesthetic and spiritual intelligence. My hobby is dancing and singing. My ambition is to become a world-class ophthalmologist. I love my school and everything about it. Our MDG has given the idea of classroom library. Before the library, I could read 1 to 2 books in a month, but now I could read 10 to 15 books in a month and 1 to 2 books in a week. I thank my Principal Ma'am and MDG and other teachers to helping the long journey of the 7B. Thank you.
A big woo to you.
Ooh,
Thank you
I
all.
did it.